Mentorship has been really important in my career because I didn't know that I would be going into personal injury law, and I didn't particularly expect to like it or be as invested as I got so quickly. So I felt like in the early days I was really playing catch up, and I was very lucky and grateful to have internship mentors like Caitlin Roach, who would answer any question I had, never made me feel uncomfortable. And then as I got my footing more and I started working for my team with Sydney and Jolie and Joy, having the team mentorship of getting to slot into a well-oiled machine provided the support while also the room to grow and expand and figure out what I don't know in a safe space, because the community was already there.
The person that has influenced me the most, it's hard to just say one person. That's what's great about GLP, is it's a collective unit of people that influence you every single day, where you have one person that you go to for one particular issue, and then there's another person that you go to for a question. If I had to nail it down to one, it would be my longtime mentor, Janelle Carney Boston. She took me under her wing, and she gave me the opportunity to succeed and the opportunity to help people, and I am forever grateful for that.
I am a very curious person, so I like to learn all the aspects of the case and all the aspects of the background work. And so, especially when I started as an attorney, I felt like I needed to know how to file things and how to do things that some would deem like paralegal work at other firms. It's always been encouraged at GLP to know everything and to want to know everything and be able to support your team in any way. And so I wanted to learn how to file in different counties and create and open cases. And it was really a team effort getting me there between a couple of the paralegals, both on my team and not, who fielded questions about formatting and what courts were expecting, navigating which templates to use, and even things like signing on to the right website or finding the right portal. A lot of what I do feels like a team effort, because it is. But gosh, anytime I learn something new, like the filing or like any of the background work, is most definitely a team effort.
Every case reminds me why this work matters. It's the opportunity to call a client and tell them how their life is about to get better. From the very first phone call that you are meeting a potential client and talking about something that has happened to them that could be the worst thing that has happened to them so far in their life, and getting the opportunity to say to them, I can make a difference and I can help you through this, and then walking them through the entire process, and eventually getting to call them and say, this is done, and you can now move forward with your life. And every time I get to do that is a huge reminder as to why this work matters and why it's important to me. It's just more opportunity to learn different styles of doing great work. There are strengths with every team, and there are different ways of doing things, and it's never one's better than the other. It's just different approaches to problems. And that is what's so great about getting to work at GLP Attorneys. It was something that started for me as an intern, It was getting to work with so many different attorneys, including Sarah Malecki, Janelle Carney-Boston, Dwight Bond, Raina Gertz, RJ Ermola. Everyone is doing fantastic work, but they're taking slightly different approaches. So having the opportunity to see all of those and really hone in your own style is a huge benefit. And it's been the same way with my transition to Seattle, getting to work with some attorneys that I hadn't got to as much in my time during my time in Spokane, and then coming to Seattle and getting to learn Sydney Webster's approach and Jim Gooding's approach have just helped me hone in the exact type of attorney that I want to be moving forward.
I think it's a lot of the standards of don't be afraid to ask questions and put yourself out there in ways. I'm a very shy and introverted person, so I had a hard time asking attorneys or teams if there was anything they needed or asking to be included in things. So really stretching your comfort level to get those opportunities, as well as when there are safe spaces where there usually are. Like, I would love telling Caitlin, oh, I'm really interested in this, and then she would kind of help facilitate the things that I was maybe too shy to do. So being open to trying new things, and also be open to any assignment, because you will learn something every single time. I love writing a million demands. I love reading medical chronologies. There's just always something to learn. And so having that mindset and being ready to do whatever needs to be done, I think serves someone starting their career very well. And then it's also just fun to learn a whole new thing. And when you treat it as being fun, when you see it as fun, it makes the work even easier and even better.
Everything is an opportunity.